Today we're going to learn how to program quick access buttons in your new 911. Now there are a couple different ways to do so, but the fastest way to program one of your quick access buttons is to press and hold. Then you'll have this pop-up come up in the PCM that says change button assignment. And you can see here there's a steering wheel button and a center console button. Depending on your optional equipment you have in your 911, the number of buttons available may be different. All right, let's select the change button assignment button. And here we have steering wheel button and center console. So let's change our steering wheel button. I would like for this to be sport exhaust. There we go. X out of there. And for the center console button, I would like for this to be start step off. Okay. And there we go. We have reprogrammed our quick access buttons. There's another way to access those screens that allow you to change your quick access buttons. We're going to go to settings. We're going to scroll down here and go to vehicle. And it's the first one here, quick access buttons. And as you can see, that's the same screen that comes up when you press and hold either of the quick access buttons. You now know how to program the quick access buttons in your new 911.